Hey guys, last one in the theory session. We need to understand our campaign structure. So you have your Facebook ad account and there you will create your Facebook ad campaign. I know I've used the term campaign a lot. Now we are finally going to understand what it is and how it is structured. So as you can see on my screen, the campaign stage is where you choose your advertising objective, like what's the goal of your advertisement, right? So when you create an ad, you have to first create a campaign. Inside a campaign, you can create multiple ad sets, and inside every ad set there will be multiple ads. That's the entire structure of the Facebook ads. So the campaign we've talked about. The campaign is where you actually set up your goal. Next, talking about that, the ad set. The ad set stage is where you define your audience, placement, spend. So you determine how much you need to spend, what's your target audience, where do you want your ads to be shown, like stories, news feed, messenger, wherever. So that's the stuff you define in the ad set level. Now you can't do that in the campaign, right? And also you can't set up your goal in ad sets. You can't have multiple ad sets with different goals, because that you have already set up in your campaign level, right? So ad set is where you set up your audience, placement, spend, stuff like that. Every ad set will have multiple ads. The ad is where, you have your graphic or your ad copy. So ad will be an image with this headline and this amount of text, or this video with this headline, this amount of text, right? One more thing you have to determine is in the ad set level, what action do you want your users or your audience to take? Do you want them to fill out a form on Facebook so you get their information? Do you want them to call you? Do you want them to submit a form? Do you want them to book an appointment with you? That you need to determine or define in the ad set level. And in the ad, you just create the ad copy, write down the ad copy, give it the image, video, or add multiple images like slides or carousels. And then that's pretty much it. So that's the entire structure of your Facebook campaign. We're going to look into an actual campaign implementation later in this course. So don't worry about it. This is just a theory lesson. And let's finally get started with our practical implementation.